All too often, our industry has seen alternate or substitute piping materials, raising the tuberculation issue with photographs that are disingenuous at best. They typically feature older pipe that had unlined or bare metal inside surfaces without being stated as such. In this episode on Iron Strong, we will explore this issue in more depth and provide some context to what you are actually being shown. Hi, I'm Terry Lynch, General Sales Manager for the South for McWane Ductile. Sometimes old gray iron pipe developed what is known as tuberculation. Tuberculation is a type of corrosion that develops in soft or acidic waters. This corrosion does not affect the integrity of the pipe itself. As you can see in these pictures, the pipe is fine, but it does affect the internal diameter of the pipe. Basically, aggressive water penetrated the pinholes in the bituminous inner surface, and internal corrosion in the form of tuberculation occurred. This led the iron pipe industry to realize that there was a need for a better protective mechanism to combat tuberculation, and thus research and experiments began with cement mortar as the lining material of choice. In 1922, the first cement mortar lined gray iron pipe was installed in Charleston, South Carolina. Frictional flow tests conducted on this pipe as recently as 1999 revealed that this original cement mortar lined gray iron pipe has retained a Hazen-Williams coefficient or C value of 130. Modern innovations in the cement lining and high-speed rotational ring-out process for ductile iron pipe have made the standard design value C of 140 a functionally conservative number. Numerous flow tests on pipelines installed in the past 20 years have demonstrated in-service performance C values of 150 and higher. However, tests have shown that even the oldest pipes lined with cement and carrying the most aggressive waters continue to exhibit C values in the same range as the newer cement mortar lined pipe. The bottom line is this: if using cement mortar lined ductile iron pipe in your system, tuberculation will not be an issue. Minor exceptions in the cement lining of a pipe or fitting, such as spalling at a cut end, have not ever shown to promote or permit tuberculation of any measure. If you would like to learn more about tuberculation, click the link in the video description below or contact your local McWane Ductile sales representative. Thanks for watching this episode of Iron Strong, and until next time, work hard, work smart, and work safe.